Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Explorer.
You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.